number first of exercise paper 3. Here telling given parallelogram ABCD, okay, means ABCD is a parallelogram here. Complete each statement along with definition और property used here. Means definition भी बताना है और वो कौन-कौन सी property यहाँ पे used हुए हैं वो भी बताना है आपको. Here telling AD is equal to what? You know this is a parallelogram. I told you. But here AD is equal to what? Then you know AD is equal to BC. Why? Because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So write down here AD is equal to BC. Why? Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. But simply write down opposite sides. What? Opposite sides are equal. Getting it? Next one. Angle DCB is equal to DCB. Center part is C. So this angle DCB is equal to angle DAB. Opposite angles are equal. So angle DCB is equal to angle DAB. Okay. Why? Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Getting it? Next है OC is equal to OA. You know why? Diagonals bisect each other. OC is equal to OA. Why? Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals एक दूसरे को बराबर बराबर भागों में बांटते हैं. Diagonals bisect each other. Next is measure of angle DAB and measure of angle CDA. Measure of angle DAB means this angle, and measure of angle CDA means this angle, means angle A and angle D. They are lying on the same line. दोनों के दोनों एक ही लाइन पे लाई करते हैं. Okay, B and A एक ही लाइन पे लाई करते हैं, right ना? So what is this? This is called adjacent angles, and adjacent angles are supplementary, means equal to 180 degree, or you can write down supplementary. Why? आप रिटर्न कर सकते हो adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Means suppose सिर्फ ये देना है measure of angle DAB plus measure of angle CDA is equal to 180 degree. Why? Reason is that adjacent angles are supplementary. Now let's come to question number 2. Consider the following parallelogram. Find the values of x, y, z here. Okay. Here telling this figure, okay, of parallelogram AB. First is ABCD having unknown quantity x, y, z. और हमें इस क्वेश्चन में x, y, z जो हमारे अननोन क्वांटिटीज है उन्हीं की वैल्यू यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट करनी है. Getting ना? Just look here. How will you find out x value? Just look here. कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? I told you just try to recall some properties, okay, which I taught you of parallelogram. You know, opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Just look here. Angle B is equal to 100 degree. Given है? Getting ना? Okay. Therefore, y is equal to angle B. Okay. You know, y is equal to angle B. Therefore, y is equal to what is the value of angle B? 100 degree. Why? ऐसा क्यों हुआ? y is equal to angle B. क्यों इक्वल है? y is equal this B is equal to means this y is equal to angle B. Means angle D is equal to angle B. You can write down here angle D. अब मैं यहाँ पे angle D रिटर्न करते हैं. Don't write here y. You will write later. हम बाद में रिटर्न करेंगे. हम इस रिटर्न करते हैं angle D is equal to angle y B. Why? क्यों? Because opposite angles of parallelogram. Simply करेंगे. Opposite angles of parallelogram are what? Equal. So therefore y is equal to 100 degree. Now look here. This y plus this j, they are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are supplementary. y और z ये दोनों एंगल क्या है? adjacent angle है क्योंकि एक ही लाइन पे लाई कर रहे हैं. तो adjacent angles हमारी क्या है? supplementary है. 180 डिग्री के बराबर होते हैं. So write down here. Now y angle y plus z is equal to 180 degree. Why? क्यों? Adjacent angle है. Adjacent angles. और adjacent angles क्या होते हैं? Supplementary. Adjacent angles. So we have written here angle y plus angle z is equal to 180 degree. What is the value of y here? 100 degree. So put here. Therefore z is equal to what? Therefore z is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree is equal to 80 degree. So next is x. You know this now. Angle A is equal to angle x. Means z is equal to x. जितनी z की वैल्यू है उतनी x है because opposite angles are equal. Therefore since x is equal to z, therefore x is equal to 100 degree. Sorry, x is equal to 80 degree because value of z is 80 degree. x is equal to, क्योंकि z x और z दोनों इक्वल है, हाउ अपोजिट एंगल्स, क्योंकि ये अपोजिट एंगल्स है, अपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम आर इक्वल, अपोजिट एंगल्स है, ठीक है, अपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम आर इक्वल्स, देयरफोर x is equal to 80 डिग्री, ये दोनों 80 डिग्री हो गए. गॉट इट? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ, नाउ लुक हियर, here angle A is equal to 50 degree and we have to find the value of x, y, z here. So write down here, angle A is equal to 50 degree. You know, angle A plus angle C are adjacent angles because they are because they are lying on the same line. So angle A and angle C are supplementary as they are adjacent angles. So angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Why? Can you tell me क्यों है 180 degree? Because adjacent angles are supplementary. You can understand that. Okay. So what is the value of A here? 50 degree. C क्या है? X 180 degree. Okay. Therefore x is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. That is equal to 100. Just look here. It minus 130 degree. 130 degree. This is the value of x. Now you know that opposite angles are also equal in parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal, so the x is equal to y. You know, therefore y is equal to 130 degree. Because why? Because this is also opposite angles. कैसे equal हो गया? By opposite angles. You know, because x is equal to y. यहाँ पर आप reading कर सकते हैं, since x is equal to y, कैसे opposite angle से, therefore y is equal to 130 degree. Got it? Now next is z. How will you find the value of z here? अब हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे z की वैल्यू here? Now you know a b c we have found out, but we don't know value. इसे हम रिटर्न कर लेते हैं एंगल 1. You know, हम उसे एंगल 1 ले लेते हैं. Just look here. Now अब हम करेंगे इन क्वाड्रिलेटरल a b c d, एंगल a प्लस एंगल b प्लस एंगल c प्लस एंगल 1 is equal to 360 degree. Because you know why? Because all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. What is the value of A? 50 degree. B means y. Y कितनी है? 130 degree. What is the value of C? What is C here? Means C is x. What is the value of x? 130 degree. We have to find the value of 1. Angle 1, 360 degree. 130, what will be? 260. 260 plus 50, okay, 310 degree, plus angle 1 is equal to 360 degree. Therefore angle 1 is equal to 360 degree minus 310 degree, that is equal to 50 degree. Okay. Now you know angle 1 plus z is equal to 180 degree because they are forming linear pair, क्योंकि ये linear pair बना रहे हैं. Okay. अब हम करेंगे again, just let me rub this one. Okay, हम इसे रब कर देते हैं so that you can understand it clearly. Right here. Again क्या करेंगे? एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल z, एंगल 1 प्लस z इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. वाई? क्यों है 180 डिग्री? बिकॉज दे आर फॉर्मिंग लीनियर पेयर, क्योंकि ये लीनियर पेयर बना रहे हैं. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल 1? 50 डिग्री. And z as it is you will put here. Therefore z is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree, that is equal to 130 degree. This is the value of x, y, z. X is equal to 130 degree, y is equal to also 130 degree, x 130 है, y भी 130, and z is equal to 130 degree. Means all are 130 degree. You know.